thank you so much for joining me. Today I want to unbox with you Newport by Belletress from their City collection, and it is in the color Milkshake Blonde. I chose this one because I wanted like a chin length, slightly wavy bob, and that's the hope I'm having, that it looks like this. So let's have a look. So lies in its box like this. Quickly look at the cap construction. You have an extended, a lace front, a mono part. There is fairly wide, little bit of parting options, just a little bit in this section here. So it's always good. Velvet covered ear tabs, open wefts sides and back, Velcro adjusters, extended velvet nape. Little bit of stretch in this cap. And I really love this color. This is so pretty. Right, so what I want to do first is just rake a little bit through the waves so they're not quite as defined. Shake it so the fibers come loose from the cap, so they move a bit more naturally rather than just being packed in, which is just not a natural movement. And then let's have a look. Been very excited about this one. Right, let's put it on. Little bit of a flopper, as you can see, but it's pretty. Ooh, I like it. It's really, I like these barely there waves. Now, I'm not sure that the stock photo quite shows this look. I pop it in here somewhere, so you can be the judge yourself. So I probably will need to do some work, either with heat or water or both, to get this off my face. But this is cute. Really lovely. I like this length. Well, let's look at it from all sides before I play more with it. So you get to see what it looks like straight out of the box. Look at the lace front. Really well done. So lighter pieces here to the front. It hasn't quite got a band effect, which I like. I don't like the band effect, so it looks quite natural. Transition into the ear tabs. Overall, I think is fine. Little bit of visibility here of that lace, but you just use a little bit. I normally use just like eyebrow powder or something like that to just disguise that. But otherwise, that's really good. Let's look at the part. From what I can see, I think it looks really good as well. So, this is Newport by Belletress in the color Milkshake Blonde R. Tell me what you think of it. There will be an in-depth review of this piece on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so if you're interested in that review so you don't miss it. And I will see you soon. Tell me what you think. Bye.